And what's another one, Nick? Something else that's going to help us build our ARO.
Assume the sale.
Assuming the sell, right? And so when we look at these scripts, and that's just plain and simple, when you assume the sell, you're going to close more deals. The way you present, the way you ask for the order, I'm going to go ahead and have James get started on these repairs. Is this a good number I can reach you with updates? You're assuming the sell. You're not going, is it okay if we do this repair? You sound timid and stuff and unsure. You're going to get a lot more. Well, let me call you back. Let me shop around. Let me call my husband. You got to kind of be boom, ba-dum, 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 boom. And you're just assuming it straight through. That makes a tremendous difference. And that just comes with practice, role playing, and being ready when you present the repair work order to somebody. All right, good one, good one.